7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Okay, so I made a bit of a boo-boo. I flattened my cable, which was fun. The OF22 today is gonna have to come back home with me so I can fix it, because let me just turn the power off so I don't get killed. I have gone through it. So here it is. Nice glory. Just need to get a new cable for that now. Obviously, what a silly thing to do. It just happened. There's a lot to look at on this, so just make sure that you keep that in mind. That can be nasty, but to be honest, it was okay. So that's that for the day. I've got to find a new cable. Some of it is wrapped up. There it is. The rest of it mangled. This cutter here is actually doing really well for now, being an Amazon cutter. So the slab's also looking good, except for the rubber all over it. You've got some spalting in here, but this is going to get cut off through there. I'm going to do an angle on this one. There's some mild spalting coming through there, or sporting, whatever you want to call it, and there's a nice line of spalting there. Up the other end, Let's have a look. Got some lovely spalting here, which is awesome. So we've got a line through there, some into that knotty section, a nice line through there, and some nice stuff through there. It gets pretty dippy here, so we've taken quite a lot off already, but that is the dip we've got just on this single section. It's not got too thin on the high corner. The other end is a little bit thin on the high corner. So it's getting thinner on this high corner. I don't really know what will happen here. Might just thin that out to nothing when we flatten it to make that corner right, and then make a feature out of the thin part. So that's where we're at today.